Hey there guys, today I got an Avis 8145. It's a fairly old block, got it off eBay. It says 300 down here on the bottom of the block. The key looks like an SC1 USA on one side of the bow of the key. On the other side it's got stamped Padlock. Here's a look at the key bitting. Hopefully you guys can see that. Looks like it's got 5 pins in it. Should be able to pick this lock open. It's a little bit stiff, but not too bad. Put my tension wrench in here. I'll be using a standard size hook pick from Southord. I'm going to apply, make sure everything's locked up here. I'm going to apply a little bit of tension, probably a little bit heavier than what I normally apply, because the plug is really gummy. And just start pushing my pins up. Hopefully I'll be able to get this open. Like I said, some of the pins are sticky. Working my way through here. Pushing up on the pins. The ones that are binding. Or the ones that I think are binding. Let's see. Probably really easy to overset something. Not even know it because everything feels gummy inside. There's another one. I think I overset something. Let me try again here. Get in there and break the pins a couple of times. Get a little bit of tension. Go in. Start pushing up on the pins. Like the second one in the back. On the third. There's a fourth. It's hard to tell. Another. There it is. It's really hard. It's really hard to turn that plug, but there it is, picked open. It's going to be the Avis 8145. This one doesn't have security pins in it, but I'm not sure if it's been repinned or not, because like I said, it came with a slag key. But there it is, picked open, the Avis 8145. And see, lock it back up, show you that it works with the key. There it is, working with the key. As always, you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.